ladies and gentlemen. My name is Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look. I'm going to take a look at the Aussie versus US dollar and the New Zealand versus US dollar. Both those currencies were stronger earlier in the session, helped by China news on their COVID situation, but have since come off those levels as the US dollar has gotten stronger in early trading, helped by rising yields in the US. So let's take a look at each of those currency pairs from a technical perspective. We'll start with the Aussie versus US dollar. Looking at this currency pair, the low area through here, this yellow area, was a swing area going back in time. You can see all the different levels here where the market found support or resistance, and in trading yesterday and in trading today, the price moved into that area and found support buyers against it and forced the market back to the upside. The move back above the 200-hour moving average and the 100-day moving average right through here gave the buyers the go-ahead to try to push higher, and indeed when the price fell down and retested those two moving averages right here, the market found buyers against that level and the price moved higher, getting above the 100-hour moving average, and then this swing area through here gave the buyers even more opportunity to push higher, and that was the trend in trading here today coming into the New York session. However, as you can see, we've seen a rotation back to the downside here of late, and that has taken the price back below the 100-hour moving average in this swing area through here. I didn't even get finished drawing all my arrows, but staying below this area is more bearish. And on the downside, we're going to have, of course, the 100-day moving average. That's the overlay blue line right here, and the 200-hour moving average. Both of them come near the 0.6689 level, move below those levels, and open the door to the downside once again. But right now we are sort of in a neutral territory, actually trying to move back up toward the 100-hour moving average. If we can get above that level and back above this swing area through here, that would be more bullish for the pair again. But if we were to stay below on this retest of the 100-hour moving average, the sellers would hold a slight advantage, at least on the intraday basis for that currency pair. So be aware of those levels. Let's take a look at the New Zealand versus the US dollar next. And this vision of it is very similar to the Aussie versus US dollar. We have this swing area down below here where the price found support buyers in early in trading yesterday, and then in trading here today we also found support buyers against that area, the number of different points along here where the price found either support or resistance in that area. So that was our swing area, and the price found support buyers, moved above the 200-hour moving average, moved up to the 100-hour moving average, and then broke above the 100-hour average here. But we entered into this other swing area on the top side where we found willing sellers against that area, this swing area defined right through here with these swing lows and swing highs through here. And the high price out today came right into near that high of that region at 0.62516 and rotated back to the downside. Like the Aussie versus US dollar, getting below the 100-hour moving average puts the pair back in between the two moving averages, 100 and 200-hour moving average. If the price is able to stay below that 100-hour moving average, the sellers would have the intraday control, even though the price is higher on the day. But they would have won the last battle, and would have traders looking toward the 200-hour moving average, which is the work to do. We would need to get back below the 200-hour moving average to increase the bearish bias for that currency pair. So there you have a look at two of the commodity currencies, both the Aussie dollar and the New Zealand dollar, and they have similar looks from a technical perspective. We'll see if the sellers who have taken back some control after the move higher today can keep that control and push down through the lower 200-hour moving average, and for the Aussie versus US dollar, the 100-day moving average. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.